Hello guys, today I will show you how to apply for Gauthmath Expert. So in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your PC, navigate to the search bar and type in apply for Gauthmath Expert. Now click on this website, that is www.gauthexpert.com. Earn up to. Click on this and another page will open up on your PC. Now what you'll have to do is simply click on Submit Application button. When you click on this button, it is going to open up another page, that is this one. Here, you'll have to first of all enter your name, enter your email address. Now type in your country in this field, and in this area, you'll have to select your preferred language. So I'm going to select English. You can choose any language available from this list. Now, scroll down and choose your educational background. Choose your qualifications, that is, if you have won any subject award or if you are pursuing a degree. So you'll have to enter your qualifications in this field. Now, tell Gauthmath how did you know them. You can choose any one of these options. Now, click on this submit button just right here. If you want to read the privacy and policy, you'll have to click on this link and this is going to open up another page on your PC. You can read this privacy policy. After reading this, you can cut this out, go back and click on the submit button. Now, after you click on submit, you will see a page saying Gauthmath Expert Online Tutor Application. So we have successfully submitted our contact info. Now you can cut this out, and that's the simple way you can apply for Gauthmath Expert. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, and thanks for watching.